morning, travelers! We're here at the 923 or September 23 Park Terminal, bus terminal, and we are going to Ho Chi tunnels today. Yes, DIY. The group tours that I found here in Saigon costs about $10 a piece or per person. So we decided that we're gonna do it DIY instead. Again, if you're new in my channel, my name is Ian. I'm a travel blogger, photographer, and digital nomad. I travel around Southeast Asia to find the best place on how you can travel cheap. So if you like traveling and you're always on a budget, make sure that you're subscribed and hit that notification icon so that you can be updated every time that I upload a video. So let's catch a bus. So we need to get on bus number 13. Let's find our bus. Okay. So we found our bus number 13. So this will take us to Ho Chi bus terminal, and then from that bus terminal we're gonna get another bus. There we go.
Suy nghĩ kỹ rồi mới đi. Tayo. Alright, so that was bus number 13 from Pham. Now we're looking for bus number 79. 79. Update. Bus number 13 is now 10,000 dong. It used to be 7,000, so price increase plus. Alright, now this is our bus. Okay, that was bus number 79. That cost about 6,000 dong and about 45 minutes, 30 to 45 minutes from the bus station. Alright, so welcome to the Ho Chi tunnel. What you need to know is that there are actually two tunnels here in Ho Chi Minh. One is the Ben Dinh, and this one is the Ben Duoc. You would want to go to Ben Duoc because this is the original tunnel. The Ben Dinh is the one that they made for Western tourists. Kasi hindi sila kasya doon sa tunnels na original. Sobrang liit lang. Alright. So it's quite a walk. Going to the tunnels from the entrance. About 800 meters, I think. Okay, so entrance is 90,000 dongs. So that's about almost $4 per person. Yeah, $3.80 something cents. So now we're walking to the tunnels. It's quite hot today. And there's the river. And that's where we are heading. Sa gitna na po kami ng kagubatan. Okay, so this is the entrance to the tunnel. Mga bomba. Okay, so nandito na kami sa forest mismo.
Parang dulong libo lang to dati ah.
Ayan.
Ito lang sa dulong libo eh.
Ganito kagubat? Oo. Siguro naman tama itong dinadaanan namin. Ito pa oh, this is one of the exhaust. Diyan pumapasok yung mga ano.
Exhaust ng ano, tunnel.
Exhaust ng tunnel. Sukan. Pero sa atin, ano yan, nunong sa punso. So we're deep into the jungle. Pero may nadidinig akong video eh.
Sounds.
Ano?
When you come down, please take a seat. Both hand, both side. Put two leg first. Two leg first. Both hand, both side. And then, wait. Two hands, hold it two side.
Ah, close na.
Up your hand. Up your hand.
Good boy.
Yes, slowly down. They couldn't know where to start. You look inside, please. Look inside, bamboo.
This is the B-52 bomb crater. Just imagine how much damage it does.
If the roof like this, the bomb come.
Oh God. Woo!
Sa namin, we had to say off. So ain't nothing in the city.
That was intense. Really intense. May napagod oh!
May lang ako napagod na ganito.
Isipin mo, malaki pa yun.
Paano nila?
Maliliit naman kasi lang sila eh. This is one temple. I think this is dedicated to Ho Chi Minh. Sa paggoda here. Okay, going back to Ho Chi Terminal and then back to Pham Ngo Lao.